13th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have PSLV C-62 strays from flight path, fails to launch satellite. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have retail inflation at 3-month high of 1.33% in December. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have India-Germany agree to shore up defense cooperation. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have Iran wants talks with the US after his threat to strike, says Trump. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have fixed recurring issues causing dust on roads. Union Minister tells Delhi government. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Going forward, we have in a first Rajasthan Panchayat gets certified for going fully organic. Again, very important. Going forward, we have BMC elections, the rise of Fluid Alliance. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have how Trump's violating international law. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have if data is the new oil, what does that make data centers? Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have India to be invited to join US-led initiative Pax Silica, says Invoice. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have safety of victims paramount while considering bail in POCSO cases, says Supreme Court. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have China Communist Party team meets BJP leaders. Again, very important. Then we have India bloc will hold up in 2029 despite recalibrations. Then we have chaos may happen if cookies or lawmakers join Manipur government. People still emotional, says council. Again, very important from society perspective. Moving forward, we have Modi Merz launch annual kite festival in Ahmedabad. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have why do 2 PSLV mission failures in a row mean for ISRO. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have center steps in as 2 Nipah cases detected in Bengal. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have TCS third quarter net profit declines 14% to 10,720 crore. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have life insurance with new business surges 39% to 42,151 crore in December. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have HCL Tech's Q3 net slips 11%. Board declares 12 interim. Again, very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Iran says it's fighting for 4-front war as government calls for nationwide rallies. Then we have Myanmar made Rohingya lives a nightmare. Gambia tells court in genocide case. Lastly, we have Trump says Venezuela ties working out well, considers meeting with interim leader. All these things are very important for international perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.